This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will learn how to do filling and printing of an array using let and print statements. First of all, we need to know the background knowledge about that. Data can be of two types, like string and numbers is entered in an array by using let, read, or input statements. Data may be assigned to the subscripted variables in an array. So let's start how to do filling and printing of an array using let and print statements. So we will write a program at line number 10. On line number 10 we will type CLS to clear the contents of the screen. Line number 20, dim no3. So dim is used for dimension. It is used for array for more than 10 values. By default, GW Basic provides an array for storing 10 elements. For more than 10 elements we have to use dim statement. So on line number 30 we will type let no. No is the name of the variable, where 0 is the name of the subscript. So here we will type 10. Line number 40 we will type let. So let is a statement which is used for assigning a value from right hand side to the left hand side by using the sign of equality. So this sign of equality is used as an assignment operator over here, and it's the rule of assignment that the right hand side value is always assigned to the left hand side. So here the constant value 10 will be stored to the left hand side variable no subscript 0. On line number 40 we will type let no1 equal to 20. Line number 50 we will type let no2 equal to no0 subscript 0 no subscript 1. Line number 60 we will type print no0 comma no subscript 1 comma no subscript 2. Line number 70 we will type end to close the program. So I'm gonna adjust the spaces from here. So now we will switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language. We'll learn how to perform this program and what will be the output of this whole program. So let's switch to it. So here we are, viewers. At line number 10 we will type the same program. We will type CLS. Line number 20 we will type dim no subscript 3. No is the name of the variable, 3 is the subscript, and here we want to take total 3 values with the variable no. Name of the variable. Dim is a statement which is used for the elements more than 10. If you want to store more than 10 elements as a subscript, then you need to use the dim statement, which is a reserved keyword. Line number 30 we will type let no subscript 0 is equal to 10. Line number 40 we will type let no subscript 1 equal to 20. Line number 50 let no subscript 2 equal to no subscript 0 plus no subscript 1. Line number 60 we will type print no subscript 0 comma no is the name of the variable, and no subscript 1 and no subscript 2. So viewers, you can see that we have used the assignment operator, the equal to sign over here, and the value 10 will be stored now to no0 subscript 0. Line number 40, let is a statement which is used to for assigning a value from right hand side to left hand side. The 20 will be stored to the assigned and stored to the NO1 subscript, and here you can see that we want to do the calculation. The addition is performed over here, and the value of NO0 subscript 0 plus NO subscript 1 will be added together and assigned to the left hand side NO2. So NO0 now contains the value of 10, and NO subscript 1 contains the value of 20. 10 plus 20 makes 30. So this whole addition will give us the output of 30, and 30 will be now stored to the variable array NO subscript 1. So at line number 60 we are gonna show and display the output of all these values which are stored to all these array. Like NO0 will, the value which is stored in this array variable will be displayed over here. So the value NO0 contains now 10, so 10 will be displayed over here as an output of the program. NO1 contains now the value of 20. 20 will be shown over here, and a comma is used to give some space between the values we want to display as an output on the screen. So NO2 now contains the value of the addition of these two, NO0 and NO subscript 1, which is 30. So the output of this program will be 10, 20 and 30. So let's see, we want to execute it. We will compile it and we'll see the output, how it gives us the required output. Line number 70 will type ENDN to mention that the program is now ended over here. So for saving the program, we will press F4 key and we'll type the fill ARR 3.bas, the name of the program, and then we will press F3 key and press F same to load this program in the memory. Fill ARR 3.bas, and now we press the F2 key. I can see the result of 10, 20 and 30, which I just discussed with you guys, that how this program is gonna give us the output. Now I want to show that comma is used over here for, it gives us sufficient spaces between the values we have displayed on the screen. But if we want to reduce the spaces, then we can use semicolon instead of comma. So how this can be done, let's see. We will type edit 60, and this way we can use semicolon instead of comma. So you can see that the extra space will be reduced, and we can see lesser space instead of the larger space. So we will type comma semicolon, and then we press type N01, then semicolon, then N0 subscript 2. N0 subscript 2 is, so it is saved. Now we'll press F4 key and we'll type again FILARR 3.bas, name of the program. We will save this with this name, and we'll press the F3 key to load this FLARR 3.bas, and we'll press the F2 key. So you can see now the space is reduced, and we can see not extra space between the values. So this is how we can reduce the spaces, as well as how the use of the comma and semicolon is basically how we can use them to reduce and reduce the spaces between the values if we want to show the result on the output screen. So this is the program, and now I'm gonna explain this, how this whole program executed line by line. So let's switch to the text area. So here we are, viewers. Now I'm gonna explain you all these interpretation line by line, how this program was executed. So if you can see on line number 10, we have used CLS statement to clear the contents of the screen. On line number 20, we have used dim statement. A dim statement is used when we need to store more than 10 elements to an array. Subscript, by default GW provides 0 to 9 total, 10, an array of 0 to 9 total, 10 elements, storing in the subscript. Since we want to give more values, so we have used the dim statement. We want to show more than 10 values, so we have used the dim statement in program line number 20 and used array variable name no with subscript 3 means that it will have values of more than 3 elements. Three variables, array variables. Line number 30, let statement is used for assigning the value 10 from the right hand side to the left hand side, where variable named array variable named n0 subscript 0 to store will store on line number 40. Now you can see line number 40, value 10. That statement is used for assigning the value 20 from the right hand side to the left hand side, where a variable named n0 subscript 1 will store in it. So it is in it because now it will contain it and it will store in it. And at line number 50, there is an addition being performed on the right hand side. Line number 50, let statement is used for assigning the addition of the values stored in array variable named n0 subscript 0 and n0 no, sorry, it's not no, it's no, basically it's not n0, name is no, not n0, so we'll call it no, not n0. So the name is no, it's no, no subscript 1, no subscript 0, and no subscript 1. So the values stored, assigning the addition of the values stored in the array variables named no subscript 0 and no subscript 1 from the right hand side to the left hand side, where the array variable named no subscript 2 will store the same addition in it. On line number 60, print statement is used to display the output. On line number 60, print statement is used to display the output of the values now stored in array variable named NO subscript 0, NO subscript 1, NO subscript 2 respectively. So eventually we will see the values 10 space 20 space 30 as an output on the screen. On line number 70, end statement is used that to show that the ending of the program. So that's the whole explanation and interpretation. I've just told you guys that how this program is executed, compiled and executed, and gives us the output of 10, 20, 30 by using dim statement and array variables. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video, and we will discuss more programs for filling and printing of data by using other statements as well. That's all. Thanks for watching.